place love in the palms of my hands, making me know I'm a wanted man. With every step I make and every breath I take.
Hey. Birds of pain, she asking for money, I make it rain. She suck on my dick like a candy cane. We always freestyling, don't ruin the chain. You know she be wildin' on every grain, from south side to the east. Girl so fine, knock me up my feet, saving every dime, living on the streets. We gotta unwind, go ahead take a seat. Don't fuck with this shit, it ain't what you need. Baby girl, you can do what you please. Don't never let them tell you you can succeed. I know it's different when you diss her like she rubbing her back and I'm rocking the straps. I let her complain, all I'm hearing is whack. She tryna explain, but that shit full of crap. She smoking cocaine, I'm for real, about to snap. Yeah.
You place love in the palms of my hands. You place love in the palms of my hands.
Fuck those who don't believe, they don't wanna admit that I can spit from the fit. And it's over with, struck on those who deceive. When you gotta admit, never spit the bullshit, never quit on whatever the fuck I wanted to achieve. No matter what you tell me, cause I'm always gonna succeed. We in this shit together, we not ever gonna retreat. Rise up, fall down, we continue to proceed. Yeah, the freedom of station, the freedom of speech. Boy, I ain't playing, go wash it with bleach. It's all concentration, don't mess with the streets. Still going the wrong zone. You better not mess up, so just stay on beat. I just wanna go home. I'm glad that you made it, so go take a seat. We gotta stand tall, taller than towers. Black cars, black fame, and all in black power.
Thank you.